Welcome back. So in this whole section, we're going to build our own project, our first major project. So it's going to be called Rocket Web Design. It's a website for an imaginary web design company. So as you can see, I've created a project already. Here's the name, Rocket Web Design. So you already know how to run and install WordPress. So I've installed this locally on my machine, and just install it so you'll be on the same page with me so that we are going to continue. Why did I name it this way? You might ask. The word rocket is part of my company's name, so I like to use it when I'm running out of ideas or lacking a name to use. So let's go ahead and begin. So the first thing we want to do is to start by installing all the things we need. And obviously the first on the list has to be our theme. So we'll go to appearance, themes, and then in this section I'll be introducing you to an amazing theme. It is a multi-purpose theme. Okay, this guy needs updates. Let's add a new theme. Is a multi-purpose theme. Multi-purpose means you can use it for any purpose. You can use it for music website, you can use it for a blog, for any kind of website. But in this project, we're actually building a corporate website. A corporate website is usually just a website for a company, you know. That's the simplest way to look at it. So to find the name of the theme is Hastia. To find Hastia easily, you can download it from their website, but we're going to install it here. So popular, go to the popular tab and then scroll down. I'm sure you should be able to see it somewhere down. Oh, excellent. Look at it. Where am I? Look at it here, Hastia. So click install. So we install Hastia. It's an incredible theme. I've used it long enough to know that in comparison to others. Okay. Excellent. So straight away I'm gonna activate it. So I'll hit the activate button. So that is gonna replace the default theme I have. Yes, it's activated. So before we do anything, there are a few things we need to set and get in place before we proceed. So the first thing is, you can see under appearance, because we've installed Hastia theme, it has added one new menu item for us called Hastia options. And by now you should be familiar with the fact that if you see an orange cycle with a number, it means there's either an update or something on it, a notification, something you just need to do. So let's click it and then we'll see it. So there's a plugin we would need to install for this theme to work excellently well because it has its own plugins. Alright, so it's better we do everything at once so that we don't want to begin to customize the site and then we're finding ourselves coming back to install all the required plugins. So ignore this one, go to recommended actions. So there's this plugin called Orbit Fox. Orbit Fox by what? Themacil, or how do they pronounce this? But this is actually the name of the company behind this amazing theme. So this is just a plugin they created to work with all their website. The plugin can help you import ready-made data so that your website will look ready. And number one, it also populates your homepage with certain sections that usually you wouldn't have. So it goes ahead and create a homepage for you, and then it makes it easy for you to just begin to edit and then try working on it. So install and activate. Please don't always forget to do this. You're going to have to be online. While you can download them and then install them and upload them so that you manually install them, but installing it online just gives you a better option of having the most updated version at any point in time. So once this is done installing, the plugin is a bit heavy. It's about 11 MB. So if your internet is fast, it shouldn't take more than a minute or two. Yeah, it's activating. Excellent. Excellent. So now we are done. So before that, let's just do one more thing. We have this tab called useful plugins, right? So some of them are pro, some of them are free. So you can see we've already installed this one, and then this is a plugin that speeds up your website in case this first one, in case you have a need to, of course you always have a need to optimize your website. So it's a cache plugin, and it does a lot of things more than that. So I think it's a good idea to install it, but for now that's not the purpose of this video. And then you have Gutenberg blocks, then you have all these ones. Let's see if there's one we'll need almost immediately. Okay, Elementor Visual Page Builder. We're going to talk about Elementor later, so let's ignore it. And what again? Okay, this one, we're definitely going to need this one for contact forms. So let's install it, WP Forms. And then this last one is a translation plugin, so that your website supports multi-language, multilingual, what is it, functionalities or something. And then as you can see, this one, it says what, automatically compress and optimize images, scaled. It does a lot of things. Okay, I think let's just install it right now. So we're okay with this three, this, and this one. So let's wait for them to finish installing, so we'll get up and running. Okay, it is activating, so it's prompting me to reload the site. I think I mistakenly clicked something. So they are both activating. Excellent. So they are all now ready. Okay, so I think at this point we can go ahead and begin to customize our website. See you in the next lesson.